This will probably be the easiest macaroon recipe ever. Total of 4 ingredients, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 full cup of almond flour, 2 cups of powdered sugar, and 3 egg whites. This is a little trick that I'm doing because you'll need 3 egg whites at room temperature. I'm adding boiling water to my eggs to make them at room temperature faster, just for 1 minute. Now separate the egg white from the egg yolk. It's very important not to add any egg yolk in your mixture. It's very important. Now I got my strainer and I'm gonna mix the almond flour with powdered sugar. All the large pieces I'll be left with, I'll discard. Sift it through the strainer about 3 times. The whole point of doing this is to mix the mixture well and to get rid of all the large pieces. Mix the egg whites on high speed until you see them turning white color and you want them to double in size. Now add 1/4 cup of sugar and mix it on high speed until stiff peaks. It is also very important not to overmix it, so don't do it for too long. Here you can see the egg whites are super white in color, they're fluffy and they don't fall off the whisk. That's what we're looking for. Mix the egg whites with dry ingredients. So this is important too, you can't overmix or undermix here. Mix it for about 40 times and you will see the mixture kind of roll off the spatula. This is the tip I will be using. Tap it on a table 3 or 4 times. That will release all the air bubbles. Let your macaron rest on the table for about 30-40 minutes. Preheat your oven to 285 degrees. After 30 minutes, you should touch the macaron shell and your fingers should be left dry. Bake the macarons at 285 degrees for 17-18 minutes. I'll be making chocolate ganache with coconut for my macaroon filling. About 50 grams of dark chocolate, mix it with milk, and melt it in microwave. I'm adding a few spoons of cream cheese. I'm adding a few spoons of coconut flakes, but that's totally optional.